Infinity Stones? How do you have these?
Oh, we actually got a lot of those. Some of the guys use them as paperweights.
Maybe you're not so bad after all, brother.
Maybe not.
Thank you. If you're here, I'll not even give you a hug.
I'm here.
Разбитая душа и все твои обещания пустота.